Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect TP-Link Deco to Xfinity router bridge mode. First, connect your Xfinity router to the internet and make sure it is working properly. Now open a web browser and sign into your Xfinity router settings. Here enable bridge mode on the Xfinity router. This allows the TP-Link Deco system to handle routing functions while the Xfinity device works mainly as a modem. Once bridge mode is enabled, restart the Xfinity router if prompted. Next, connect one Deco unit to the Xfinity router using an Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into the Ethernet port on the Xfinity router and the other end into the main Deco unit. Now download and open the TP-Link Deco app on your phone. Sign in with your TP-Link account or create one if needed. Then tap Set up a new Deco and select your Deco model from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the main Deco unit. The app will detect the internet connection and guide you through creating your Wi-Fi network name and password. Since the Xfinity router is in bridge mode, keep the Deco system in rotor mode so it can manage your network, devices, and Wi-Fi settings. Once the main Deco is online, place additional Deco units around your home to extend coverage. In the Deco app, tap Add Deco and follow the prompts to connect each additional unit to the mesh network. Wait for each Deco unit to come online before moving to the next one. After setup is complete, test your Wi-Fi connection in different areas of your home to make sure the mesh network is working properly. You can also use the Deco app to manage devices, run speed tests, set parental controls, and monitor your network performance. If you decide not to use bridge mode on the Xfinity router, you can set the Deco system to access point mode instead, allowing the Xfinity router to continue handling writing functions while Deco provides mesh Wi-Fi coverage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.